oxygen. We're going to have a balloon with hydrogen. Which one's going to make a louder bang?
Hydrogen.
And then when we do the one with hydrogen and oxygen, which one out of those three will be the loudest?
I think. How are you going to pop it? You're going to stab it?
No, I'm going to use flame.
Oh.
Bottom.
So we're filling that balloon. Can you see the bubbles in there? We're filling the balloon with pure oxygen. It's just oxygen. It's not going in. Can you see how much it's bubbling up inside? And that's getting hot. So if you've got your gloves on, you can feel how hot that's getting. Full of oxygen and liquid.
Hot, you silly bold bastard.
It's very, thank you, yes I know it's hot, but I'm carefully
That wasn't very careful.
releasing the liquid in a nice wet spray also.
But you still have to hold it.
Now I'm going to release some oxygen into there.
That really doesn't smell nice.
It's just the iodine, that's all. Okay. Cheers.
Very slowly.
Oh, that's okay.
Right. I've just got to try and get the right, and that should just be oxygen.
Bit closer.
Whoa! Whoa!
Okay, wait for it. When it's got the right ratio of air to hydrogen,